Hello, I'm back. So, should we? Okay, that was an explosion outside my house. Thanks, Diwali. Alright, so, um, to be honest, I have no clue where I was the last time. In it, in it, like a British person. In it, Lua, in it. I shouldn't be the one doing any accents. It doesn't sound really good at all. Um, so yeah, back to the problem at hand, which is I have no clue what I did the last time. It seems like I was at print children. Why would I print out an iterator? Yeah, that's not a good start. Okay, so it seems like the what we had implemented the last time is to get autocomplete at the top level, which I think we can see it working. Just 1 second. Okay, so here at the top level, at the operation definition level, we can see users gets auto completed, fine. We get search, that gets auto completed, all good. And also the mutation, that also should work. Update user, there it is. Update user, perfect. So obviously, actually, we can't go with this approach because we'll have to duplicate a lot of code. The approach that I'm thinking of is to have, so tree setter would tell us which node we're at. So let's say we are here, we're typing something. So we'll know, so whatever I'm typing here will be inside a selection set. And the parent to the selection set would be this guy, which is a field. So that's what I'm doing here, identifying that the parent is a field. And in this case, an operation definition, which is at the top level. This guy we have implemented, but ideally we'd like it to be a lot more generic. So what I'm thinking of is, let's just go ahead and implement the bitch. Okay. What do we call it? My god. Started the stream and my head hurts already. Get field, get path, get field path. Yeah, that does not make sense. I don't know. Do we need the schema here? No, we don't. Okay, so we'll need the node. So the way it will go is we still a bit fuzzy on that detail. Let's start with a null check, as all great Lua code starts with. Let's make it tail recursive as well. We don't want to deal with stupid details. What is this? Path. So we'll just return path in this case. Let's go to node type is operation definition. So in this case, should we actually check the parent in this case? I feel like that makes more sense. We'll need the node there, right? Do we need the node there? This is a bit fuzzy, which is why I should have left comments in the first place. You shouldn't just come back to a code a week later and have no clue and just start swinging in the dark. This is a little annoying. I hate past me. You fucked me. Okay. So if I'm at the operation definition, actually, yeah, it doesn't matter if we're at a selection set now because, yeah, I think this is fine. If we're at an operation definition, we just return. Yeah, this is also another base case where we'd have to return path. How do we concatenate two arrays? Fuck. This one I didn't think of. Two tables, I guess. Mem.table concat. Nope. I think we can just insert it, right? So table.insert. Yeah, let's just insert it. Oh, actually, we'll need to insert it backwards. That's another key thing here. So we can do a path 0. Let's look at the documentation here. Right, path 0 and then what I want to insert. What would this be? Node. Oh, right, I've already got that bit of code over here where I get the child. No, I don't. My god, this is navigating an old code base is just painful. Okay, it seems like I did it here somewhere. Get operation type. Okay, so yeah, I am very confused. Help. Someone send help. Call 911. This is an emergency. Need to check nil. Oh, okay. I did a stupid over there. Okay. Actually, this is what I need, right? Yeah. So I need to check the child of the operation definition, which is a name, a property name, which I can then convert to text. Perfecto. Let's do that. Local, what is this? OP type name. Oh shit, I also need the buffer in this case, so buffer number. Yeah, let's insert that bad boy in here. Do we also need to check if this is empty? Let's get to the tricky cases later on. I don't want to deal with it right now. Let's leave that to future me. This is how all the conflicts start between the me's of different timelines. Okay, so now we get to the interesting bit, which is the field, which is the part that was not implemented yet. Field, then, end, yay. What do we do here? So in this case, we can just look this up. Where do we get PS? What was it? Playground? Toggle, yeah. Okay. Is there a better way to navigate this? This is kind of annoying. Okay. Selection. Field. Name. Yeah, that's the first child for the field. So we can do the same thing that we're doing here. Field name is the same guy. Right. I think I have it on the menu, but I'm not sure if. Let's just go with it. Let's see what happens later. Name, and we finally do the recursive call. So source._get field path. We give it node parent because we want to walk upwards, and we just pass in the buffer as is, we pass in the path as is. Yeah, time to test this guy. Okay, let's local ttt equals that guy, and the path, can I give it a default value? I don't think this works in Lua. No. Okay, path equals path or this guy. Yay, that works for me. Okay, this we need to inspect. So is get field path, inspect. Do we need the rest of this? No. Okay, let's restart this guy. And okay, we've got a function. No, we've got the user field, but we don't have. Oh, right. I'm a dummy alert. Dummy alert. Notify the police. There's a dummy on the loose. Yeah, so we don't want to make the recursive call. Oh, actually, I accidentally handled that case, right? I am inserting the path, but I didn't return it, so it should recursively call the parent. So where did I fuck up? Okay, did I not get to the operation definition? Let's print op type name. Let's see if this doesn't work. Okay, this is being a bit annoying, the kitty code that I left. Yeah, users. And why is it? Oh, I remember. Oh, no, actually, I don't think this is the issue, but it does. Oh, wait, break time. I need to deal with my dog. I'm just gonna pick a random screens. I am back. Am I back? Yes, I am. Okay. So where were we? Uh, I've totally lost track of what I was doing. Again, my brain too small. I don't understand. Yeah, this is fine. Am I missing this somewhere? I'm passing it along. Yeah, let's try this again. Email, messages. No, I still don't have that. So it never got to this case. Actually, let's check if I spelled it right. That's usually the problem. I don't think that was the issue there, but worth a try. I never trust myself with spelling anything, so that was a possibility. So let's eliminate that. Um, it should have worked because it is getting to the field, so it means it is recursively calling back to this guy with the parent, the buffer number, and the path, which is a mutated path. What am I missing? Let's just print node type. For every recursive call, we'll know exactly what was called. Ema. There we are. Email, messages. So we're at selection set. The parent is a field. The parent of that is selection. The parent of that is selection set. And then we get to operation definition, which makes perfect sense. And now, what? Okay. Another explosion. My dog is scared. We live in a war zone. No, it's Diwali. No, we live in the Call of Duty war zone. Cheaters running around, aim locking onto people's heads, wall hacking, and all of that. Messages. There it is. Oh, I forgot to change this guy to index 1. Okay. So, what was the problem exactly? I don't think there was any. Let's move on then. Yeah, let's do a final test to see if yeah, messages. Perfect. Can I do this here then? Email, messages. Apparently not. Oh, I can, and it worked. Yay! Okay, celebration. Actually, I mean, this is incorrect because obviously when we have an inline fragment, I think we can just shortcut it. So we don't have to worry about the parent of this guy. Whatever this type is, we can just look up that type. So we don't need to reach the operation definition. So, but we're not handling fragments at this point because I'm too lazy to handle it at this point. So now we have the, let's get rid of, no, let's keep it. Let's comment it because might be useful later on. Yeah, so we've got the field path over here, which is a list of field names that I need to follow. Oh, I just realized something. Okay, this stream is going to be a bit more difficult than I expected because of Diwali. I guess a celebration. Okay. Yeah. So I forgot to explain this. Here we know that we have a query, but in the GraphQL schema, we can't use a query because we need to look up the name of the query to get here. Or maybe we could do that later. Does that make sense? Nah. I think it's better to here. So we have an entry point and then we can follow through it, right? Or maybe what we can do is actually I'm backtracking on that. Let's just do it the way my instinct tells me to. If it doesn't work out, we'll refactor it. That's what refactoring is for. So what we're inserting now is schema, and then op whatever this guy is, and we append type to it. So if it's query, we go to query type. If it's mutation, we go to mutation type, and so on. And yeah, dot name. We'll do the null checks later. Again, the problem for future me, I don't want to deal with it. Yeah, this we're not using, this we're not using. Let's be a little more conservative with deleting lines of code here. So yeah, let's do a test. Sanity. Okay, glad we did the sanity check. Attempt to index local node. No, me no understanding. Explosion. My dog got a jump scare out of that. Yeah, I'm a bit confused. What do you mean? Line number, give me a line number. 53. I already checked for null. Number value, what the fuck? Oh, right. Totally forgot. This should be self now because we are dealing with self. Okay. Back to testing. Yep, we've got the query with the capital Q. And the same thing for mutation, I assume. Yep. Perfect. We've got the path. Now, pseudocode. So now we'll need to get the type out of it, right? So we walk through the schema. Actually, not the type, the list of fields is what we need. So we do fields is self underscore retrieve fetch fields. I think that let's just be consistent with that. Field underscore path. Do we need anything else to get? Yeah, I think this is fine for now. Fields, and we need to define this function as well. Let's print that out. Yeah, let's make a function. Where is a snippet? Do I not have lower snippets? That's unfortunate. So source. What is happening? My keyboard. It's betraying me. I've got the path. So the purpose of this function is to walk through the list of paths, and we're going to go with a for loop because for loop is good, like all the programmers say. Pairs path to end, but I'll never get used to Lua at this pace. Okay, here's the schema. And just go get schema. Yeah, so let's actually have a look at the schema to get an idea of what we're doing. So if we're at a query, what we need to do is the first item in that list, and I'm glad that we converted the name from the schema beforehand. Here it is. So to get something at the top level, all I have to do is get to the schema, go through the types and find one with the name. So in here, I don't know if I should call it node, I should call it key or something. So in here, we'll filter the schema and get anyone that matches the name. But the problem is for fields, what we'll also have to do is in the next iteration, we'll have to go through this list and get to the one with the name of that key and keep doing that. And in some cases will be redirected, like let's see if we can find an example for it. Actually, this one should be an example for it. Can I do something else? Yeah. Fields, args, here it is. So in the name user, we get type, kind object. I'm not going to focus on the object thing now, we'll do that checks later. But here's the part which is important. We get the user field from here, and then inside here, we'll have to look up the user type in the schema again. So I think let's just walk through this. Here it is. And when we get here, this is the list of fields inside the users. And this is what we actually need. So, okay, now comes the difficult part. How the fuck do we implement this? Let's start at nil. I don't want to go with the recursive definition for this. I mean, I don't know how simple a recursive one would be. Let's just go with for loops for now. I'll wash myself later to rid myself of the sin, but for now I think it should be fine. So yeah, the first one would be query. So let's get this out for reference. So we've got the key. What we need to do is schema dot types, and we look up the key. If I could spell it right, type. Here it is. How do we? All right, let's define a utility function. I don't think Vim has find. I really hope it does, but find, it has a filter. Okay, we can work with that. Can we? Nah, let's not go that route. Find in table. Simple as that. For in pairs, speaking like a robot. List or table, it's not a list. Table, do end. I should stop reciting my code. It sounds really weird when I do it. Yeah. So here's the check. I need an fn. If fn node dot biode node, then return the node. I found it. Else return nil. It didn't find it. What did I fuck up here? Fn node. Is there a problem, officer? Free to go. Is this local? Local function. What am I doing wrong? Shit, I'm anxious. Help. Oh, right. This is not bash. This is Lua. I should just write it down here so I don't fuck up. This is not bash. Stop mistyping P. Okay. Find in table. We've got that utility function made. So this guy, I mean, obviously we can't do this because there's no key. So what we need to do here is find in table, types, and we give it a function. So here we get a type, and oh right, we can't name it ty anymore. Let's, when in doubt, use single letter variables, no matter what anyone says. So when we're iterating over all of these, we need to check if name t dot name is equal to t. Is that it? Yeah, we're not doing the kind check at this point. I mean, we should, but we're not doing it because we're lazy. And when I say we, I mean me. So don't worry about it. Yeah, we've got the type. Now what do we need? Yeah, we can just go type equals ty, right? So ty, it will get a list of fields, right? Perfect. So it will keep doing that, and at the end I should have, let's just do it this way. Wait, I fucked up, didn't I? Yeah, this guy should be type.fields. Oh, okay. Let's just do it this way. I don't want to deal with the mess that I am creating. So type or schema dot. Oof. I'm dropping so many balls. If type, this is why I should have gone with the recursive definition. If I get nil, I can just return nil, right? Because there's nothing more to figure out. So I can do this. Oh, right, I need to do this. If at any point I get, this is not as clean as I was hoping it to be. Do I have to repeat this? No, I don't have to repeat this because I guarantee it basically that I won't have nil at the end of it. But I do need to check. Yeah, I can just do or, right? So I just return an empty field of, I don't know if this case can happen, but it's better to just handle it like a man. Okay, we've got a list of fields. This should be a giant JSON or a small one. I don't judge. Oh, okay. We got an error instead. That's great too. Errors. Okay. There's no path. Did I not specify? I did specify a path. What the fuck are you talking about? There's table expected got nil. That seems like a you problem. Deal with it. Let's just print this vim.inspector. Okay, so we do have a path which is not nil, surprisingly. Oh, there's another one. I totally forgot about this. Find in table type.fields doesn't exist. What do we do here? We just do this. Oh, 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 types is a list of fields. So, oh, that kind of hurts. What do we do now? Okay. Instead of okay, maybe. Oh no, I fucked it up. This hurts. Sometimes you just don't get things right. Local fields, type, oh, type and type dot fields or schema dot types. Does that sound interesting? Shouldn't, because I'm just not doing this right. Okay, I think this could work. I mean, this is not right because right. So if it's a table of types, it won't have a field property, so it would again use the type. So by default, it just starts working, but I don't know. You know, that programmer feeling in your tummy telling you, stop it, is usually right. So maybe that's not a good idea, but yeah, who cares? Let's move on. I don't want to deal with my life's problems on stream. I just want to ignore them like a man. Okay, print. Is there any other print? No. There we go. HN. Messages. Fuck you. Why does this not work? Okay. Okay. I give up. No, I don't. Type and type fields or schema. This is so terrible. Terrible, terrible code. You should be ashamed of yourself. So should I also have a list of fields here? Actually, should I have type at all? What am I using type for if not the annoying null checks? So can we not just do that? So here, I can just do schema.types, which is the list of fields, global fields. And in here, again, when in doubt, use 1 or 2 letter variable names. That's not a good advice. Please stop listening to me. Fields. Actually, I don't need to do any of that. Find in table, local type, because I don't care about that anymore. And then I can do fields equals type.fields. Yay. And then I don't have to do this. I can just return fields or empty, just to be sure. Does that sound sane to you? Do I sound like a sane man to you? Let's see. Email. Nope. Losing sanity every second. Did I screw this thing up? There's stable. Node. Okay, stop. Let's start using words that don't mean anything. Let's use item. So, it makes a slight, tiny bit more sense. Okay, what is it? What is it, boy? Tell me. Okay. This sucks. So, I'll just print. Let's just see. Print vim.inspect type. Right? Yeah, let's just do this. Let's see. Messages. I should find. Actually, I can. I have an example.fua thing here, so let's do that. Let's go simple vim.exec. No, fn.exec and vim underscore shit. Help. Exec and vim exec. Messages or nmap leader x. This is how you do it, right? I don't remember. I haven't written. I could do this the right way, but nah, who cares? Leader. Okay, leader x works for me. Let's try. Okay, that didn't work. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to spend time getting this working because I've got actual code to get working. Expected 2 arguments. Okay, that's not what I was looking for. nvim underscore command cmd command. Is this good? Is this the guy? Yep. This is what I was looking for. Let's see. Tag x messages. Perfect. I've got it. This was a waste of time, but okay, we got it. All right. Yeah. Let's do this. Yeah, there it is. So query. It found query. That's a relief. We've got a list of fields, which is the global list, and we've got search. Perfect. And that's where the list ended. No problem. Let's check here. Email. Messages. Oh, I typed it again for some reason. A user. Yeah, so okay. Oh, right. I totally forgot about this. I need to follow the type. This is going to be a bit more challenging than I thought. So when I get a type, actually this is not a type, this is a field. When I get a field, there's also a type property in there. Let's look at, oh, fuck off. Let's look at this guy again. Fields. Description, kind. Oh, fuck off. Just give me the bottom of the list, please. Can I do this? Nope, I can't. Thanks, neovim. Okay. Okay, this is a lot more complicated than I was expecting, but all right. I think we can just write a function to ignore all of this, you know, because in the context of the query, it doesn't matter whether the type is a list or non-null or whatever. We can just collapse the whole thing over here to just give me this type, and then I can find that type somewhere and work that part out. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I've run into another conundrum. Yeah, let's solve one problem at a time. So we've got field dot type. Uh, 1 second. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I had to zone out for a second, but I'm back. Yeah, field dot type. What am I doing? So here we have a field dot type. What we need to do now is collapse it. Ty. Let's again single letter names. No one's gonna complain because I'm the only one here, so I'm not gonna complain. What do we do? Field. Actually, I need to do all of that after the null check because don't want that to bother me. Let's create a simple function collapse. Collapse type. Yeah, I don't know. Just making shit up, so please forgive me if I write shitty function names once in a while. Type, let's end. So if type is nil, then return nil end. If type dot of type, if should I do it the weird way or the proper way? That's the question. Dot of type. Should I just check if it's null? Because if it's nil, then I have gotten to where I want to be. I can just return this bit, right? Should I just return the name or should I return the... Yeah, I'll just return the name. It's type dot name. This is the base case over here. This is where we want to reach. And if type dot of type, yeah, I don't think we need to handle anything else. We can just collapse every other issue. So collapse type dot of type. Okay, perfect. I stuttered there for some reason. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's type name. Okay, that's it. Now to get this is what I was worried about. This is kind of a little... I'm a little unclear on how to handle this because this is at the top level, which is why I was using type at first, because I thought that I am actually traversing through the type and at every point I'll have a type. But as it turns out, I don't have a type at the root level when it's the operation definition, because I only have schema. Can we do something with that? Can I just pass the schema in and expect everything to just work? Oh, actually, I can do that. Okay, okay, fuck that. Past me was a hero. He gave me inspiration. So if I just do, when I'm getting a list of fields, I'm doing this, I can do type dot, okay, type dot fields or type dot types. There it is, right? That handles both the cases. Or it's an empty list. So I don't have to do this. I've got a field from the top level. I can collapse that. So instead of setting the fields here, I'll be setting the type as the field. Wait. Okay, no, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no. I am still fucking up. What am I doing wrong? So I've got a list of fields. Let's go the English route. Let's just write English. Let's speak to the editor. Yeah, so what we need to do is we've got a key. We need to find that key in the schema. Find key in schema. Oh, no, no, no. Find key in type dot fields, or yeah, whatever, fields. Find key in fields. And if that's what I'm doing here, I'm finding the key in fields, I'll get a field in return, and then I can just set this guy to dot type. The rest would be, I don't need to do this here, I think. And also, oh, right. Collapse type would actually return the type itself. So this is not type name, this is type. And here, instead of doing this, I can just do collapse type and give it field name and not do any of this mess. Hey, I think I finally figured out what I meant when I started this whole thing. Okay. Is this right? By the way, the explosions in the background is Diwali. Don't worry about it. Okay, so if type is nil, then return nil, because there's nothing left to follow at this point, right? So no matter if I have more keys in the path, I can just ignore it. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, and let's just go with this. All right. And then at the end, I've got type dot fields. Yay! Think I've figured it out. And if this doesn't work, I'll be very upset. Let's see. Email. Nil. Nil was never an option. Okay, so type dot fields doesn't exist. Print type. Let's see what this guy gives me. Okay, can you fucking type? Okay. Nil again. Nil. What? This is not what I expected. Is nil, I just return the type. Oh. Okay. So when I collapse this, yeah, I think this doesn't make sense anymore because I do need to look up the type in the global schema, right? Because yes, I have to look this up in the global schema. So I have to do schema.types and find this here. Find then double function t, forgot the comma here, function t, and return. Why am I reciting everything? So this is type name, by name, local FFF. I don't know. I'll figure out. Don't worry about it. t.name is ty name. This is not JavaScript. Okay. So let's rethink this. What does this mean? I walk through the global types and I figure out the name that I just collapsed from the field. Yeah. Oh, in that case, I can do it the other way as well. Oh. Okay, this is so much pain. Yeah, I'm just going to do type equals that because type dot fields, and I'm expecting that this guy would have a dot types property, so it should work. It is my professional opinion that it will work. It is my professional opinion that it doesn't work for some reason. Okay, back to the drawing board. Actually, this is not nil. I mean, this is not related to anything I'm doing, but it's not nil. What am I screwing up? I love the selection of songs I've got. All royalty free stuff, but they sound great. Oh, it's really late at night. I'm sleepy. But I wanna do streams for fun. Here it is, here's a list. Bullshit. This one's good. I'm gonna play this. Okay, back to the problem. A tangent for no reason. Okay. I'm acting like I understand everything that's happening. I don't. But, interesting. So I start at a global type. This is so annoying. My god. Okay, let's actually print this guy out so I know that I'm collapsing the type right. If I'm not, I know where to look for the issue. Why isn't... Okay, my key map isn't working. What am I... This is right? Rex leader PT. Let's go with that. I don't know what the problem is here, but meh. I don't wanna... Yeah, okay, that works now. Okay, it doesn't work now. What the fuck? messages here. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with it at this point. Let's just focus on email, messages. That's not helpful. You didn't even print what I asked you to print. It's just, when everything fails. Type or type.name, type and type.name. Or empty string. Meh, that was a horse. Bah, that was a goat. You can't tell I'm really sleepy. Okay, error. Greeted with an error. That's at least better than getting a null. That gives me some information. Local type. Enable token. Okay, that's actually not helpful at all. I wanted to do this. Email. Messages. Still an error. Thank you. What is this guy telling me? Oh, there's no actions. Compute blah 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 first and blah 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 second. Okay. You may need to add brackets. Is this what you mean? Oh, concatenation has a higher priority. Okay, email. Does that give me messages? Give me the messages. Okay, so what? What the fuck? That's not what I expected. It never got to the type. Should OF type, and should get to a name at some point. Just had one iteration and died. Okay. This is painful. No prints at all, so that means off type is okay. Maybe I fucked something up here, so let's do field. Let's print that out. Oh right, forgot to vim.inspect it. Email, messages. Okay, I've got a list of fields. That's not good. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I was expecting here, so... Oh! 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 How many more times can I say, oh? Oh, right! Did I even... Yeah, I used it, so... That's not helpful, is it? So... Should I see if... the fields list is empty? Is that what I need to do? I don't get it. Oh, maybe at the top level you don't get a type? Oh, right. Field inside it would have a type which we need to follow. So in this case, there is no type. So there is nothing to follow. Because this is the query operation definition. So, interesting. Okay, why is this not clicking yet? Please give me 5 more brain cells. I need 5% more operating capacity. Field dot. So what do we do here? We've got the type name, but this is only valid inside the field, so it's not valid at the top level. So how do we check it? We can check if field.type is nil. Nil. Okay, this is again not JavaScript. End. Okay. So is not nil actually. So if the field type is not nil, or should I check if the fields, does that make more sense to check if the fields property doesn't exist? Actually, I don't think it matters, because if you have the fields, you don't have the type. If you have the type, you don't have the fields. That's what I'm assuming. That's what I think from the looks of it. Actually, now that I look at it, possible types would be a mess to deal with. I don't think I'm going to go into that rabbit hole. Let's see. So if it's not nil, I do this. Otherwise, or as Lua likes to call it, else, I give it what do I give it? Oh no, do I just okay, do I just do field? Because I found the field, I just do that, right? Let's see if this errors out. I have my brains plural. No, I barely have one brain, so my brain isn't really working at the moment. Yeah, excuses. Attempt to index local type, and you won't give me type because I've already done a null check over here. If you haven't noticed, Lua, I'm doing what you expect me to do. Wait, why did the music stop? No, not the music. No, I can't. Okay, just stopped. What happened? Can you play this? Yeah. Okay, I don't know why it stopped. MPD is acting all weird today. Okay. Yes, we were at this error. Type. What was the line number? 78. What? Lua, what are you doing? I already did the null check over here. What are you talking about? Dot type. Unable to index type. Wait a second. Are you drunk? $78. What? You're confusing me. Is this guy nil? It's not null. Again, done the null check. Get fields. Okay. Dot type. You know, when in doubt, inspect. Or console log if you're a JavaScript developer. if you're a degenerate. Okay, yeah, this is what I expect. So if I look at this, it's not nil. So obviously I want to go through. Oh, I think I just got it. It's vim dot nil. What the fuck? What is this new concept? Just give me nil. I was barely functioning with nil getting in my way. You introduced a new nil? No. How dare you, Lua? I thought you were my friend. You betrayed me. Messages. Give me messages. Okay, let's remove the other print stuff. There's only one. So I do get. Yay. Yay, I think we've finally done it. We've finally done it. Boys and girls and everyone else. We've done it. Username, ID. Yep, these are all the fields inside user. I think I typed it twice because it printed it twice. Okay. Yep. So now what we can do is map over this and just print this out. Is it that simple? So I can do, oh, fuck off, where am I? Okay, callback. Callback, vim.tibble underscore map, fields, I think that's the second parameter. Let's see, field, and return this object over here. All right. So I've got field.name, completion kind, field.name, detail field, all of that exactly the way I want. Thank you for working with me, Lua. Thank you for not stabbing me in the back brutally when I turned around. Okay. I hope this works. Let's cross our fingers and our toes. Email. Oh my god. It worked. Does this still work? Yep, it works. Does this still work? This I don't think would. Yeah. Okay. I mean, that's fine. We're not handling that case yet. But let's see if this guy works. Yeah, mutations also work. Email. Name. Okay. I don't think I have the name field, maybe. No. Okay. I'm not going to worry about that yet. Username. I don't think I have a name field. Email. And what else? What else do we have? Role. Everything works. It's Christmas. Okay. I've got this working. You know what time it is? It's time for a commit. Because we are responsible developers here. We always commit our code and we uglify our code by inlining everything. Let's see. Peep, pix. What did we implement? Generalized. Okay, I don't know how to spell. Make fun of me. Generalized operation defin, and I'm not going to risk spelling that. Fields. There it is. Oh fuck, I screwed up. Type it all over again. Have to spell generalize again. Is generalized operation defin and fields. Perfect. There it is. Holy shit. Okay, there's some useless functions now. This is pointless. Yep. Thank you, Lua, for catching that. Let's save it for our next commit. Again, responsible developers. Okay, I think to be honest, this was my goal for the stream, but I want to do a bit more. Let's think. Let's implement fragments. Fragment support. That's important. Let's go to the query again. Let's just inline this. I don't want to do too much. Fragment my user. Actually, we can also do like a cheeky thing here where this gets auto-completed based on... Nah, I don't know. Should we? Nah, actually that doesn't make much sense. Does it? Actually it does. It does make sense. We could definitely do that. Again, a future me's problem. I'm not going to deal with this. Username. I mean, it doesn't matter. We are testing the autocomplete, so it's fine. Yeah. So I've got my user. I want auto-completion inside there. So the first thing to check is, do we get, what is the path that we get when we're inserting inside it? I'm guessing it's going to be nil, comma, yeah, nil actually, just nil. Nil in a table. No, not this. Yeah, this. Okay, I got something better. Thanks, Obama. Messages. Attempting to index a nil value. The loudest I can summon in my throat. 47, you say. Oh, actually, yeah. I I even talked about this. If I can't figure this part, yeah. So what I can do here is just check this guy. If this is a fragment, I'm going to treat this differently. And else, yeah, this makes sense. So if it is a fragment, what do I do? Because when I'm getting the field path, it doesn't matter yeah, it... Okay, so the fragment name is the fragment's type. So what we need to insert here is, I mean, let's frag underscore name. Frag grenade down. Enemy frag grenade. Oh, my puppy is awake. Hi. You're sleepy still? It's okay. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. Back to out of the distraction now. Back to code. Frag name. What was I thinking? Oh, this is going to be a bit annoying. Messages. No. Oh, sorry. ES playground toggle. Make that bigger. Oh, I missed. I missed my train. Back here. Error. What? What did you say to me? Let's just const ragagaga equals tickle paste. Does preset or restart, or do I Let's just do this. It, I'm not going to get angry on this. Oh, right. On users. A user. What is a user? Oh, fuck off. That was the dumbest thing I've done. No, not really. It doesn't even come close. Okay, so I was here, right? Yep. So I'm at, oh my god, this is not even an operation definition, it's an executable definition, or fragment definition, as I like to call it. We're friends, we're on a first name basis. Hey, fragment definition, what's up? I'm a little confused about this. Why there's so many layers to this? How complex is a GraphQL document? I'm a little concerned. I don't want to handle all those cases. Let's see. Fragment definition. So it's not operation definition. All right, I've cleared that part out. Let's pull this out of here. So, I mean, this is going to be at the top level because you can't define a fragment inside. So I think we're good with that regard, but it's still, oh, there's my OBS. It's still, can my clipboard work, please? Can the real clipboard please stand up? Fragment underscore definition, let's just go with that. Oh my god, if I could spell definition. Okay. Let's do this again. This should give me the fragment name, correct? Let's just print it for good measure. Fragment. No, that's not what I was looking for, but thanks. Okay, that was not helpful. So let's open this up again. So fragment definition, I check the name. So what I need is, oh no, there's too many things. How do I, so, can I run a tree setter query on a node? You know, like I give it a node and I give it a query and it finds it inside the node. Let's tree setter. Let's open this up directly. Get captures, get node at cursor. We've done that. We've been through all that struggle. Buffer number, lang, options. Nope. Not what we need. String to pass. Maybe? No, it's not going to be able to pass it. Is node in range, node contains, start. No, not useful. None of this useful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Get query file, parse query, there's something. Actually, I do have a different project where I've done some of this. Where is it? Extra code lens. There it is. Zooming in. That's my dog. Where was it? This guy. So I parse the query. How do I use this? init, Lua, init, Lua is cool, init, it captures root. Okay, this is, so if I just pass it whatever node, it would do what I expected to do, right? Let's see. Okay, I think that'll clean up a lot of the code as well. Actually, steps. Let's take baby steps. Let's do it a more complex way. Let's see if this, what I'm trying to do, actually works. Nah, my user, there it is. So if I do 2, nah, on user. Oh, okay. I mean, okay, is that a thing where I don't get it? What is that supposed to do? Let's do a TS playground toggle. Let's look at, so what we got there was this guy. No, this guy, right? Yeah, I think so. And the culprit inside it would be named type or something. So should I just, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Holy fuck, this is tiring. Del 0. On. Oh my god. I did it the worst way ever. I got it. There it is. Glorious, isn't it? Okay, I think that's it. So it should give me, my god, it works. It works. We've got fragment support. And that too in, let's see how much change it took to add fragment support in our code. Okay, that was part of refactoring. This is it. 4 lines of code. Oh, I'm so proud of it. Where's the print? Yeah, get rid of that. Let's commit it. Sweet. Adds fragment support. Perfect. Okay. How long have I been streaming? 1 hour 30 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna stop streaming now. Maybe come back later in a bit. I don't know. Anyways, I think that's it. Okay. The OBS interface is on. You know what that means. Is this, do I, my cursor, it doesn't want to go there. The gravity. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, bye.